Hi there, we are group Maroon Slate. The topic we're discussing about is pre-existing rock and their equivalent metamorphosed rocks. So group member is Singh, Eva, Farah, and Faris. So what is pre-existing rock for metamorphic rock? All rock before undergoes metamorphism, which is heat and pressure, is defined as pre-existing metamorphic rocks. For example, igneous rock and sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock and igneous rock undergoes heat and pressure to become metamorphic rocks.
Okay, so this is the example for pre-existing metamorphic rocks. So the first one is conglomerate, the second one is basalt, the third one is coal, the fourth one is gabbro, the fifth one is sandstone, and the last one is shale. So conglomerate, coal, sandstone, and shale are sedimentary rocks, and while basalt and gabbro are igneous rock. So all of this will undergo metamorphism and will change to metamorphic rocks. So conglomerate will change into gneiss, basalt will change into schist, coal will change into graphite, gabbro will change into gneiss and coalite, the sandstone will change into quartz, and shale will change into fillet and mica schist.
Equivalent metamorphosed rocks. As we know, there are two types of metamorphosed rocks. One is foliated and the second is non-foliated. So these are the examples of foliated metamorphosed rocks. We have here the first one is slate. Slate undergoes low-grade metamorphisms of shale, which is a sedimentary rock. And then we have phyllite. Phyllite forms when sedimentary rock, specifically a shale, mildly altered by the heat and directed pressure of regional metamorphism. And then we have schist over here. It forms when it is exposed to a moderate level of heat and a moderate level of pressure. And then we have gneiss. Gneiss undergoes high-grade metamorphisms, and it is this banded appearance and texture rather than composition that define a gneiss. So basically, slate, phyllite, schist, and gneiss is from one type of pre-existing rock, which is a shale. So basically, shale have to undergo metamorphisms, but in different heat and pressure. So the stronger the heat, the stronger the pressure. So we will have lastly a gneiss, from slate to a phyllite to schist, and lastly to a gneiss. That is all for foliated metamorphosed rocks.
Next is a non-foliated rock. Non-foliated rock will have almost the opposite texture with foliated rock. The mineral will appear to be randomly oriented without obvious bending and have a granular appearance. Unlike a foliated rock, there will be no layers and they will not flake apart into thin layers when it's broke. Non-foliated rock contain more coarse-grained minerals and generally have a random shape. Because of this, these rocks are granular in appearance. Examples of non-foliated rock are marble, anthracite coal, metaconglomerate, and quartzite. First is marble. Marble is composed from silicate and it's formed from limestone. For anthracite coal, it formed from carbon and its former rock is peat. For metaconglomerate, it's very hard and has a smooth texture. Its form from conglomerate rock. For quartzite, it's formed from sandstone. It's very hard but has a smooth texture of rock.